This is a very important step if you're the principal. So in this video, we're now gonna configure the administrator account. So this is the default login email and password. So I'm just gonna log in. And the default email is admin@example.com. And of course, the password now is, by default, is admin. Then simply click on login. Now this is your dashboard as an administrator. What we have to do first now is to change now our account, our username, as well as our password. To do that, just simply click on admin and then click on my account. And over here, let's first type in our first name, your last name, and for example, my email. So I'm just gonna pause this video while I fill this up, all right? So I filled everything up. Now it's an important step that you fill up everything. So I'm just gonna update this one. So with my new email address as well as the other settings. Now I will also want to change my password. So my current password is admin. Now I'm gonna change it to my new password. So there you go. That's my new password. And simply click now on update password. Now that that is done, let's now log out and let's see if it works. So I'll type in now the previous email and let's see if that works. Admin@example.com and then the admin password, which is admin. And if I click login now, it says invalid credentials. All right, so invalid credentials. I've typed in my new email address as well as my new password. So if I type in my new password, let's see if I'm able to log in. All right, see, now that I'm able to log in, I have now my new password, as well as my new email address. Next, let's go now to our system settings. So over here on your upper right corner, just click on settings. So here, you could type in your website name, your website title, as well as anything that you like. All right, so make sure you also change your email. Oops, let's close that one, There you go, all right? And after that one, make sure to save it. Now, as for the YouTube API key, this one, just make sure to leave it blank first, all right? So I'll see you in the next lesson to configure now the other settings.